Good morning to all of you gathered to here celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers' Day. 5th September celebrated as Teachers' Day in every year to honor and appreciate the contribution of teachers in various fields. It is the day to express the graduate and respect in the mentors who selflessly work to build the future of the students. This practice started in the year 1962 on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the philosopher, teacher, and second president of India.
Good evening to all the teacher and my dear friends. Every year 5th September we celebrated the Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with a lot of excitement, joy and happiness. September 5th is marked by the birth of anniversary Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated to the commemorate of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader, form of the president of the country. There are saying the teacher are the greater than parents. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and excellent teacher. Thank you to all.
My name is Nandadeepa. I am 6th standard. I am talk about this Teacher Day speech. Good evening to all. Respect to principal, teachers and all dear friends. All dear friends, we all have gathered have to celebrate Teachers Day. Teacher Day is celebrated every year on 5th September. Teacher Day is celebrated on birth anniversary Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of independent India and distinguished scholar. Teacher Day is special day dedicated to the teachers for the contribution and to the society of nation. Thank you all. Wish you all happy Teachers Day. Bye. Hi, my name is Subhash. I am studying 7th standard. Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Wish you happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers Day is the best way for students to express love and respect for the teacher. Every teacher is a reflection of his or her students. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teacher orders and follow their advice. Thank you to all.
I
am Ramya. I am going to talk about Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is specially occasion for everyone, especially for students and teachers. It is celebrating by students. Every year on 5th September. On 5th September to pay respect to their teachers. It is celebrated on auspicious occasion of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. Who was greatest teacher and President of India. On this day, students present their sincere wishes and prayer for their teachers. Students present cards, flowers and gifts for teachers to show their love, affection and respect of teachers. We should celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year to honor the contribution of teachers in our life. Thank you to all.
Good afternoon, all my teachers. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. A very good morning all of you. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year. Since 1962 to honor Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. September 5th is the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Thank you.